Now we are starting with question number 2. As you can see, the following line graph shows the yearly sales figures for a manufacturing company. What were the sales in 2002? So this also we can do in the book itself. 2002. What were the sales? This is 2002. What were the sales? This is in crores. So what were the sales? 4 crores. 4 crores. And 2006, where is 2006? Here. How much is this? This is 8 crores. 8 crores. Then we go to B. Question number B. What were the sale in 2003? 2003. Where is 2003? This is 2003. What was the sale in 2003? Is it marked? Yes. Here, this is only the one. Here, 7 crores. And the second one, in 2005. Where is 2005? This is 2005. Any point is made? No, point is not made. So at this line, which point is meeting? This point is meeting. This point is meeting here. So I think it is 8.5 crores. Yes, and that too approximately. Okay. 8.5, because I have made the diagram without using the scale, children. Okay. So 8.5 crores. Then going to see, compute the difference between the sales of 2002. This is C. Sales of 2002 and 2006. 2000. So what is the sale of 2002? 4 crores. What is the sale of 2006? 8 crores. Compute means we need to find the difference. So answer is 8 minus 4, that is 4 crores. So answer is what? 4 crores for C. Then we go to D. In which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared? Greatest difference from the previous year. Previous year means if we talk about 2002, we need to know what is the difference between 2002 and 2001. The difference. Okay. So here we don't know 2001, so we leave. So we go to 2003 minus 2002. 2003 minus 2002 means 7 minus 4. That is how much? 3 crores. Then here the difference will be negative because there was not a hike. Instead, the trend is showing the data is showing a downward trend. So we are not checking this. We will check this one. Hike. So this is 2005, which is how much? This should be 9, no? So why I have written 8.5? Because it may not be showing. So 8.5, 8.5, and how much? Oh, trend we have to check. 6. Where is 2005? 2005 is showing 10 crores. Children, this is not 8.5. This should be 10 crores. No? Why I have written? So here answer should come 10 crores. What were the sales in 2005? Where is 2005? It is 10 crores. Okay. And rest is okay. In which year was the greatest sale? So here, as you can see, this difference is also, the difference will also come more. That is 8 minus 6. Not 8, sorry, 10 minus 6. This is 10. 10 minus 6, that is 4 crores. 10 minus 6, which is equal to, this is so confusing, na? Because I drew this line, that line. So This is the greatest, right? Now we won't check this again. Why? Because the trend is downward. So we check the heights. So who's more? 4 crore is more. So year 2005. So the answer for D is 2005. Now we go to the third question. This is your question number 3. You can see the data is of two plants, two botanical plants, plant A and plant B. Plant A is shown with the dotted line, plant B is shown with the proper line. Okay, so for an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and B were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their heights were measured at the end of each week. You can see this is the first week. This is the starting, first week, second week, third week. Where is the question? The heights were measured at the end of each of the 3 weeks. The results are as shown in the graph. Answer the following question. How high, this also we are doing in work, how high was plant A after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, plant A was 7. Children, so that I will not get confused, I have written the numbers over here. Okay. After 2 weeks, plant A and plant B both were of same height. Okay. And the height is how much? Is it in centimeters? I have turned the page. Yes, it is in centimeters. So question number A, first one, no? First one, it is 7 centimeters, and height of plant B also after 3 weeks. Plant B after 3 weeks. This is plant B. No, plant A only. Plant A after 2 weeks is 7 centimeter, and plant A after 3 weeks is 9 centimeters. So this is 9 centimeters. Then going to be how high was plant B after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks, plant B was also 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. And after 3 weeks, plant B was 10 centimeters. Then how much did plant A grow during the third week? How much did it grow? Third week. That is third week minus second week. Yes, the length of third week minus second week. So how much was the length in the third week of plant A? No? Yes, plant A. Plant A third week it was 9 centimeters. And in the second week it was 7 centimeters. So the answer is 2 centimeters. So part C is 2 centimeters. You can do this. You write here WW so that you will understand it is week. This completes the C part. How much did plant B grow from the end of second week to the end of third week? It is the same thing. From the end of second week to the end of third week. The same thing we will do. Third week minus second week. So 10 minus 7, which will give us 3. So the answer is 3 centimeters. During which week did plant A grew the most? During which week plant A grew the most? Okay. So we'll have to find out. Children, 1 minute. Okay. Excuse me. Yes. So we'll subtract this. 9 minus 7 will give us 2 centimeters, and 7 minus 2 will give us 5 centimeters, and 2 minus 0 will give us 2 centimeters. So the most it grew during which week? During the first and second week. So how are we going to write? During which week
did plant A grow the most? So plant A grew the most during the second week, right? This is the second week. No children, second week has started. This is the third week. So the answer is what? The second week. So answer for E is second week. Then we go to F. During which week did plant B grew the least? During which week plant B grew the least? So where is plant B? This is plant B. So here 10 minus 7, 3, 7 minus 1 is 6 and 1 minus 0 is 1. So I think during the first week, yes, it grew the least. So the answer for the F1 will be first week. It grew the least. It grew only and only for 1 centimeter. Here it grew for 6 centimeters. Here it grew for 3 centimeters. Then, were the two plants of the same height during any week? Were the two plants at the same height during any week? Yes. Here. So the answer should be what? Second week. Okay. Either you can write end of second week or you can write second week. Both the answers are correct. Hodgepodge it has become. End of second week. So this completes your third question. Right? We have done all? Yes. Specify. Yes, we have specified. Now we will go with the fourth question. Starting with question number 4 now, you can see this is the weather forecast here. So this is the weather forecast. You can see there are two lines, one is dotted, one is proper line. So actual one is the line which is proper, okay, and dotted one is the forecast, means pretending, no, not pretending, not pretending, means predicting, okay, that the temperature may vary from here till here. So we have to answer the following questions. On which days was the forecast temperature the same as the actual temperature? That means where both the lines are meeting. Both the lines are meeting here. That is on Tuesday. So this is ABCD. Yes. Tuesday 20 degrees Celsius. Then where the two lines are meeting? Friday, that is 15 degrees Celsius, and this is Sunday, that is 35 degrees, no, Sunday, which is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is the first part. Then we go to the second part. What was the maximum forecast temperature? Forecast means dotted lines. Maximum forecast temperature during the week. So maximum, let's see what is the last reading. 35 degrees Celsius. So answer B is 35 degrees Celsius. Now I am writing C here. What was the minimum actual temperature during the week? Actual means the line, the proper line, and minimum, where it is minimum. This is 17.5. Minimum is this. That is 2 days, na? What was the minimum? Achha, we don't have to tell the days. We have to just tell what was the minimum temperature. So what is the minimum temperature, children? Minimum temperature is 15. Why it is written 17? What was the minimum actual temperature during
the week. So it is 15 degrees. 15 degrees Celsius. Then we go to D.
On which day did the actual temperature differ the most from the forecast temperature? We will see where the line varies the most. No, we will have to calculate only. Here the variation is very less. Here it is 5. Here it is 7.5. So I think on Thursday. Why? You see, the variation is so much. Here the variation is 0. Here the variation is only 2. The difference is 5. Difference is 15. Difference is 5 again. Difference is 0. So it's on Thursday. So we can write Thursday 22.5 degrees Celsius minus 15 degrees Celsius gives us 7.5 degrees Celsius. Okay children, so I think this completes your fourth one. Then we go to the fifth sum. Now children, fifth one, it is saying that use the tables to draw linear graphs. Linear graphs we have not studied only in this exercise. So actually it has to be line graphs only. So we are going to draw the line graphs. Okay.